Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right sticky notes and a purpose. Choose adhesive strength and size based on surface and duration. Color code by priority to reduce decision friction. Once ready, prep the area, wipe dust, and let it dry so the glue bonds. Start with one core note. Write a single clear action or question using verbs and due dates. Make sure to place it at eye level for visibility. This first step creates momentum and a simple framework for adding related notes. You now expand the system by creating structure. Set lanes or columns for topics, stages, or deadlines so everything has a home. Number or tag each sticky note and draw arrows to show dependencies. That visual link prevents duplicate work. Once done, prioritize within each group, move high-impact items to the top, or use a bright color. Make sure to review connections aloud as you work. Verbalizing helps spot gaps and refines how notes relate to one another. You finish by clearing completed tasks and preserving decisions. Peel finished notes to an archive board or photograph them for reference, then remove clutter. For peeling or weak sticks, press firmly, restick the edge, or use a small piece of tape. Replace notes that lose adhesion. If the board becomes overwhelming, consolidate related notes into one actionable item and schedule a review in 1 to 2 weeks. One troubleshooting tip: if notes keep falling, switch to a heavier adhesive or smoother mounting surface to fix the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.